Hello, everybody. Welcome to Unboxing with Bill. My name is Bill Hirschinger. I'm the Director of Engineering at Standard Electric. We have a special guest today, one of our BDSs from Standard Electric. He's our enclosure focus specialist. And Andy Schonert is his name. Go ahead and give us a little scoop on how long you've been here and what you do for the company.
As Bill said, I'm Andy Schonert. I'm Business Development Specialist for all enclosure lines for the great state of Wisconsin. I've been with the company for 9 years.
It seems like about 15.
Yeah, tell me about it. And so our biggest enclosure line is Rittal. They have a new offering of non-metallic enclosures that we're going to talk about today.
Excellent. Let's see what we have. I actually have my knife here today, and we'll open her up. Try not to watch out, Andrew.
Yeah.
If you want to hold the box.
Sure.
We'll do this. Very interesting colors. Looks like
It's got your favorite Rittal Power Pink, Bill.
love
That's the rain guard that prevents water and dust from getting into the enclosure. So this is the new non-metallic AX series enclosure.
So I see that it does have mounting.
It does, yeah.
grommets,
So
or what do you bushings, or what do you-
inserts, yeah.
Inserts?
So inserts installed in the enclosure for wall mounting brackets. Global ratings: NEMA 4X IP66 can be used anywhere around the world.
So Andy, let's have a look at this. So how do you open it up with the?
So it's a standard Rittal key, church key, 3mm double bit that can also be used
As
a
it
beer
looks
opener.
Like, looks like a bottle opener.
Yeah, right there. So let's. As with all Rittal enclosures, it includes a back panel, which is inside, along with
And
a couple
we have
beers.
a couple beers.
How about that? Should
I
we?
would love to check out the. Oh my God, it does work.
You first. Here's
Here's
you.
to Rittal. Here's to Andy Schonert.
Cheers. Supplier of the year.
That's
Boy, that's
refreshing.
good. That's good in the mid-afternoon.
Awesome.
Here is the here's the sub panel. Again, comes with every Rittal
Should I
enclosure
look
along
this
with
up
all the
a little bit
hardware.
here?
Yeah, we can. Internally, they've got all of these
Lots of parts.
Lots of parts. Mounting provisions. It will accept all standard Rittal system chassis and bars. So that will all fit in here. It's double wall construction. Sealed foam in place gasket. The doors can be switched on either side, or just rotated. So it's good.
Sorry. I should drink. You should talk.
Yeah, everything is QR coded. So if you're going, if a lot of companies are going to digitize workforces or work systems, so you can have QR codes for the door, for the mounting plate, and for the enclosure itself if it needs to go through a modification process.
So I see there's a lot of different areas to mount things inside of here.
So just with everything with Rittal, it's not only a box, but you can think of the inside as like a 3D space as well, where you can create different planes using stock system bar and system chassis for carbon steel and stainless steel, also for these non-metallic options.
You gotta love that German design.
It's well engineered.
And then the door looks very sturdy with all the, and then you can mount all the different bars, and if you need DIN rail, right onto the door itself.
Correct. Yep. So these are just molded mounting provisions inside for all of the Rittal system chassis. Stock bars for carbon steel and stainless steel can also be used in the non-metallic offering.
And again, all the
Yeah,
accessories can be mounted on.
correct.
On
Yeah,
these two.
the same bars can be attached here. They all have 25mm spacing.
All stainless steel.
All
hinges.
stainless steel hinges. Correct.
Beautiful box.
Yep. Another thing too is because it's polyester, fiberglass reinforced polyester. These are designed to sit out in a remote application for like radio towers and things like
Sunlight,
that.
no problem with this.
It's not going to flour and break apart like normal fiberglass because it's reinforced fiberglass with polycarbonate. So it's great for UV.
It's a very nice product, Andy. I really appreciate you coming in, showing us this.
You bet.
And
Thank
if
you.
there's anything that you would like to know more about this product, please contact Standard Electric, your account manager, and Andy Schonert or Bill Antrim in our Illinois and Indiana facilities. Thanks again. Enjoy your day and cheers.
Cheers. Thank you very much.